All right, guys. So I also do electrical work. So I'm gonna install this chandelier at the entry of the front door. So it's an outdoor fixture right there. So the customer says that the light that she has right now doesn't put too much light. So it's one of these square lights, single bulb. It's going all the way up there. I think it's about maybe 15 feet total. So what I did is right there, that opening, I measured from the very top, that ceiling, to right around more than halfway down. So where that fixture will show once it's installed. So it's about, I measured 3 feet. So what I did was I put the fixture together, I put the chain on it right here, and I measure from the floor to the top where my finger's at. That's 3 foot. From there, I'll put the little the cap on it where it hangs and all that. And then once I have that installed, I'll just put it all together and just take the light. I'll do everything one time, one move, light and everything, install it all, and that's it, boom. I also did for this customer, I did this landscape lighting right there. So it's a total of 7 lights in the front. They're on right now, so I like to test them. So we got one spotlight, 2, 1 on each side, so like the wall, the window. Right there, 2 of those path lights. And I got another light over there at that tree. So total 7 lights. Little transformer right there with a front door. And that's it. And also, my customer wants me just to kind of hit this with my pressure washer, just kind of take that mildew off. I'm gonna do that. I told her she needs gutters, so she needs to get that done because it's gonna continue to have mildew. Also right down there, I'll just hit that with some, I got this 30-second cleaner, what it's called. I'll let it soak and then I'll hit it with my pressure washer, and that's it. Easy money. All right, so like I said, I did in one move. I put the 2 screws right there, 1, 2. Now I'm gonna hook up my wires. So the bare copper wires, of course, is ground. And then you got on the lamp cord, you got smooth. This one's the smooth one, smooth side. And then you got one that's got little ribs on it. This one's got little ribs, that's your neutral, and the smooth one, that's the black. So I'm gonna hook those 2 up in the ground, and that's it. Put up my little cover on there, and we're done.